In this video, I'll show you step by step how to promote Amazon affiliate links on Quora using free traffic. I'll expose the exact strategy that's making smart affiliates thousands of dollars using Quora without spam, without bans, and with free traffic that never stops. Stay till the end because I'll even show you copy paste method to start earning today. That's exactly what I did to generate consistent Amazon affiliate commissions, and today I'm revealing my entire strategy step by step. If you want to see exactly how I do it, watch this video till the end because I'll reveal my full strategy, and let's get started. As you can see over here, this is my Amazon affiliate account, and just in 10 days this month I made $5,279 in commissions with Amazon affiliate marketing using completely free traffic. Anyway, let's get started. So for people who want to start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing using free traffic from Quora, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. It's super easy. All you have to do is just go to Google and search for Amazon Associate, okay, like this, and just click on the first link over here. You will be in this page. Click on sign up here like this. It's super easy and simple. Click on create your Amazon account, and here you go. You guys can see the sign up process to Amazon affiliate program is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first and last name, your email address, your password, and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account. You just need to follow a few steps, and that's it. It's super easy and simple. Anyone can sign up, and after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Amazon affiliate marketing. You should see here home, promotion, tools, reports, help, and your commissions. After you finish your sign up process, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one. It's super easy and simple. You should see your commissions here, summary, bounties, promotion, tools, reports, and so on. What you need to do next is you need to choose good products that you will start promoting on Quora that people are already searching for. You cannot just go and promote any product that you like or that you think it's gonna work. This business doesn't work like this. You guys need to promote product that people are already searching for on Quora, okay? So what we will do next, we will go to Quora, okay? Pay close attention. Just go and open your Quora account like this. If you don't have, that's fine. Just go to Google, search for Quora like this, okay? And just click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you will just use your email address to create an account, and after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one, and you guys can get free traffic from Quora, so much traffic from Quora if you do it right and if you are following those steps that I'm sharing with you in this video, okay? So after you finish your sign up process, click here on the search of Quora, click on search Quora here, and so for example you just need to type question. For example, let's choose lose, and here you go. Quora even will suggest some topics that people are already searching for. So for example, let's search for lose weight, okay, as an example. Lose weight, search for example for this keyword lose weight, okay? I want you to pay close attention in this step because this is one of my profitable product that I'm promoting, and pay close attention. Search for lose weight, scroll down, and here you go. You will find here a lot of people asking question. They want to lose weight. You guys can see this one. Just put this question. You guys can see what are the best ways to lose weight. Look how many people following this question, which makes that's why this product is a profitable product for you guys that you can start with, okay? Look how many people following this question. Over 6,000 people following this question because those people are interested to know and to get to know which ways can help them lose weight fast, okay? What are the best ways to lose weight? You see how many people follow this question? Here is another one. What are some easy tricks to lose weight? Over 1,000 people following this question. Here is another question. what is the best way to lose weight fast. Do you see this? So what I will do next, I will go to Amazon. Go back and open your Amazon account like this, amazon.com. Click on the search for lose weight, okay? Search for this product that will help people lose weight, okay? I want you to pay close attention also in this step. Scroll down and here you go. You will find a lot of products here who the product that can help people lose weight, okay? So what you need to do next is you need to choose a good product. How we can choose good products? Always choose product that got at least over 1000 sales in the past month, okay? At least over 1000 sales in the past month. So for example, I will scroll down like this one, guys. Do you see this one? Weight loss. Also, this one is also for weight loss, okay? Do you see this one? Over 8000 people paid for this one multiple times, which is really good. Like this one is good. If we scroll more, we can find more products here about lose weight, okay? And here you go. You guys can see this one here, Ali. This one is a good one for you guys that you can promote on Quora. Weight loss. This product is for weight loss, okay? And this one is good. Like over 70,000 people paid for this one multiple times. This is a profitable and winning product for you as an Amazon affiliate marketer. So this one is good. So what I will do, I will click on this product like this. Just click on the product that you want to use and here you go. You will be directly in this product page on Amazon. You see this? That's really good. Like this one is really a good one, okay? You guys can see here over 10,000 people paid for this one in the past month. Just in the past month, over 10,000 people paid for this product. Those the product that you need to start promoting, like those products, okay? The product that people are already paying for and a lot of people are paying for those products. And the best part with those products, guys, that those products are evergreen products, meaning that people will keep buying those products again and again, which is really good, okay? So what you will do next, you need to create a good answer to this question and we will include our Amazon affiliate link, okay, to this one. What are the best ways to lose weight? You see? So what we will do, we will click here on answer like this and we will answer this question. So what we will do, we will use AI, we will use ChatGPT. Go to AI, okay? Go to Google, search for ChatGPT like this. It's for free. You guys can use just the free version. ChatGPT, open your account, use your email address to sign up. After you finish, ask this question. I asked him to write a professional short answer to this Quora question about how to lose weight. That include my Amazon affiliate product link that will solve this problem. And here you go. You have this good and professional question answers. Sorry, this good answers. Stay consistent and you will see results. I will copy this answer like this and I will go back to Quora. I will put this answer here, okay? And here you need to put your Amazon affiliate link. So of course you can't put your Amazon affiliate links directly on Quora. So for you guys, it's better to use a landing page or a blog or an affiliate website. And you can use your affiliate website or your blog or landing page that you can use to promote those winning products here on Quora to earn commission. If you are doing this, you will avoid suspend and spam problems, okay? You will not get any problems if you are using landing page or blog or an affiliate website. And here you need to put this your Amazon affiliate products name, okay? We need to put the name of the products here. So I will delete this. I will go back to this Amazon products, Ali weight loss diet. I will copy this one, this title, the first one here, to show you. I will go back to Quora and I will put this, the name of this Amazon affiliate products here, okay, which can help track, okay. And here I need to put my Amazon affiliate link. So like I said, for you guys, it's better to use a landing page or an affiliate website or or a blog. Okay, I will go back. So for me, I will go back to this Amazon affiliate to this Amazon product page. So to get an affiliate link for this product, you just need to click here on get link. Okay, and just copy, this is your Amazon affiliate link. Copy this link like this and go back to Quora. Okay, go back to Quora and put your Amazon affiliate link here. So for you, you will put your affiliate website or your uh, blog or landing page. Okay, and here you go. Do you see this? I just put this like this. It's super easy, guys. Okay, it's super simple as you can see. Okay, but it's not easy. You guys need, it's better, like I said, to use landing page or a blog or an affiliate website if you want to avoid problems with Quora, banned, suspend account. Use a landing page or a blog or an affiliate website. After you finish, click on post. Okay, and your post will be your question, and here you go, your answer will be sent like this, you guys can see, and this question is followed by over 6,000 people, meaning that over 6,000 people will get notification about this answer. Okay, which is really good. They will check this, all those people, they will get a notification. People who will check, they will see your message like this, your reply like this: losing weight effectively, come down to compete. And here you go, this is your Amazon affiliate link, and that's it. That's how we can promote Amazon affiliate links on Quora. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments. If you want to see more videos like this, want to see more winning product that I'm promoting with Amazon affiliates, comments Amazon affiliate in this video, like this video. So for people who want to take this business seriously, I want to invite you guys to join my exclusive course. I have created a step-by-step guide that shows you how I'm making over $15,000 every single month with Amazon affiliate marketing, using completely free traffic from different social media platforms, from TikTok, Quora, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, Shorts, and more. Okay, if you are interested, feel free to reach out to me in my email address in my description, and I will get back to you. Okay, and here is, guys, another tip that you can use. Okay, this is for free. I will share this for free here. Go to Google and search for how to lose weight. Go to Google, search for how to lose weight. Scroll down. Okay, scroll down. You have here people also ask. Okay, and click on this one here. Let me see. You will find some questions here on Quora that are ranking, and here you go. Can I lose 10k in a month? How many kilogram can you lose? Here you go. Like this question about related to weight loss. Okay, I will click on this question like this. Okay, you see this? This is the question. How many? This question is ranking on Google, which is really good. Okay, what I will do, I will click here on answer. You see this? And I will answer this question about weight loss with the same process that I shared with you in this video. Okay, answer those questions that are ranking on Google. Okay, you will get a lot of traffic from here for free, targeted traffic. Those people will be interested. Okay, and if you click in here, you will find a lot of questions that are ranking on Google from Quora. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments, like I said, and see you in my next videos.